Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to do totals using quick analysis in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. First of all, select the data. So this is a quick analysis tab. Click on it. Click on the totals. So when I press this, it will give me the summation of the columns. Now press Ctrl Z. Again click on it. Totals. This will give me the average. Press Ctrl Z. Again click on it. Go in the totals. Click on count. So it will give me the count and how many observations are there. The 1, 2, 3, 4. Press Ctrl Z. Click on it. Totals. Now let me activate this sum. So this will give me the row total. And this gives me the column total. So this was all about how to do totals using quick analysis in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share and like my videos. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You can join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.